In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use gradient in AutoCAD step by step so you can add a clean, professional look to your drawings in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating architectural plans, technical illustrations, or presentation drawings, using gradients can help certain areas stand out and make your design easier to read. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Make sure the boundary you want to fill is closed, because AutoCAD needs a closed area before it can apply a hatch or gradient properly. If your shape has any gaps, you may need to fix those first before continuing. Next, on your keyboard, type hatch and press enter. This will open the hatch creation tools, where you can choose different hatch and gradient options for your design. Once the Hatch Creation tab appears, look for the Gradient section and click on Gradient. This switches the tool from a standard hatch pattern to a gradient fill, which is what we want for this tutorial. Now you'll need to choose the style of gradient you want to use. AutoCAD gives you options like linear or radial gradients, so pick the one that best fits your drawing. A linear gradient creates a smooth transition in a straight direction, while a radial gradient spreads outward in a circular style. After that, select two colors for your gradient or choose a preset gradient if you want something faster and easier. You can customize the look depending on the effect you want, whether that's a subtle transition or a more noticeable color change. Once your gradient settings are ready, move your cursor into the closed boundary and click inside the area where you want the gradient applied. AutoCAD will preview the fill so you can check that it's going into the correct space. If it looks good, you're almost done. If you want to change the boundary or adjust the gradient style, you can still make those edits before finalizing. When everything looks right, press enter to finish and apply the gradient to your drawing. That's it. You've successfully used a gradient in AutoCAD. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference in how your drawing looks and how clearly different areas are presented. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.